How to start an online consignment store. If you're wondering that, well, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm with Paladin Global Market. I have been an online consignment reseller for over the past 17 years. I'm going to give you in this video my top 5 tips for starting your own online consignment store. Let's begin. Number 1, you're going to want to set aside space in your home office or maybe your garage to be able to store your client's inventory once you receive it. Now, if you live in a place like I do, I live in Florida and it can get very hot, especially in the summer months. You want to make sure that you have a place that the inventory that's in your care is not going to get damaged or compromised because of the elements. You also want to be a place that if you have it in a garage and it's not sealed properly and maybe some critters can get inside, you want to make sure that you're storing the client's inventory in sealed totes or bins to protect them. Number 2, you're going to want to get yourself an account on all the popular selling platforms online. I'm imagining that you've probably sold online before, but I want to make this video in a sense that just in case you have not started selling at all online, what you need to begin. So setting up your accounts on platforms such as eBay, Facebook Marketplace are going to be things that you can use to help sell your client's inventory once your consignment store is open. Number 3, you're going to want to make sure that you set up your business according to your local, state, and federal guidelines that are required for a business, the licensing and the different things that you'll want to get in place before you start taking on your consignment client's inventory for your online consignment store. I do want to recommend that the SBA, which is Small Business Administration, has a wealth of free information to us as business owners or people who are wanting to start their own business. I definitely recommend that you turn there for guidance on these details. Number 4, you're going to want to set up your own business checking account that is devoted purely to your online consignment store. This is going to make it so much easier when you're paying your consignment clients for the inventory that has sold, and it makes it so much easier for you when you're doing the bookkeeping to be able to keep track when you're selling on these different platforms. Number 5, now that you've set up your online consignment store, the next step is to get the word out. The best way I have found to do this is through my family and friends, getting the word out through them, and then starting to branch out of that circle, so to say, and expanding to places such as Facebook. They have Facebook groups, which are completely free. You can also go on to neighborhood apps such as Nextdoor. These are great places to just let people know that you can sell their items for them online. I would recommend don't be spammy about this. Maybe just post once a month on these sites, or you can reach out to the group administrator and ask permission and see how often they recommend that you post. My Nextdoor app and my Facebook groups for my neighborhood have been an excellent place for finding new clients. And of course, as you continue to take care of more and more clients, the word will spread and it has a great rippled effect. Other things that you can do that I have found works really well is, of course, marketing. You can do different types of ads online or in your local area, going to networking events to your area, and then also signs, just putting signs out. The more you take care of people and you give them a great experience, the more they're going to continue to share. Everyone has something in their home or their office that they want to get rid of. So trust me, once you continue to take great care of your customers and your clients, they're going to tell others, and it's going to be a great launching for your new online consignment store. If you're interested in learning more about online consignment, I'm excited to announce that my new book is due to come out later this year. If you would like to be on our email list to be notified when it comes available and also take advantage of some really cool giveaways and specials that I have coming before the launch date, make sure you click in the link in the description below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've had, please give me a like. It's free. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. This is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. You guys have a wonderful day. Happy reselling. Bye, guys.